Journey through a full crane operator shift, exploring the unique challenges, skills, and insights that make this profession both demanding and rewarding. 4:30 a.m. Alarm sounds. Crane operators rise before most construction workers. 5 a.m. Quick breakfast and travel to the construction site. 5:45 a.m. Arrive at site, ready for pre-shift preparations. License verification. All credentials must be current. Site security scans IDs before entry. Daily check-in. Each morning begins with credential verification, no exceptions. Digital tracking. Modern sites use electronic systems to verify qualifications instantly. Review plans. Examine blueprints and day's objectives. Weather assessment. Discuss wind forecasts and temperature concerns. Load planning. Review weight calculations and lifting sequences. Team coordination. Assign roles and communication protocols. Hazard identification. Team reviews potential dangers unique to the day's tasks. PPE requirements. Verify all personal protective equipment meet standards. Emergency signals. Review hand signals and emergency stop procedures. Site-specific rules. Address special requirements for the current project phase. Cables and rigging. Check for fraying, proper tension, and secure connections. Hydraulic systems. Inspect fluid levels, hoses, and pressure gauges. Hooks and attachments. Verify safety latches, integrity, and proper movement. Controls and electronics. Test all operational systems and emergency functions. Load chart analysis. Set parameters based on the day's heaviest loads. Calculate maximum lifting capacities based on boom angles. Lift plan review. Confirm pathways are clear of obstructions. Verify staging areas for materials are properly prepared. Communication check. Test radio systems with ground crew. Establish clear terminology for the day-specific operations. The long climb. Ascend 200 to 300 feet of vertical ladders or stairs. Safety gear. Full fall protection required throughout the climb. Physical challenge. Climb demands strength and endurance every day. The compact, high-tech cab serves as both workspace and second home. Operators often spend 8 to 12 hours here with limited ability to leave. Dual joysticks. Provide precise movement control for lifting, swinging, and positioning loads with millimeter accuracy. Foot pedals. Manage speed and braking functions, giving operators granular control over motion and emergency stops. Digital displays. Monitor critical data including load weights, wind speed, and boom angles to ensure safe operation. Computer systems. Sophisticated safety technology that prevents dangerous movements and helps operators manage complex lifts. Modern cranes feature sophisticated controls that require both technical knowledge and tactile skill to operate effectively. Site overview. Operators see the entire construction project unfold below. This vantage point helps anticipate needs and movements. Team coordination. Height provides visibility of ground crew signals. Operators watch for both official signals and potential hazards. Unique vantage point. The job offers unparalleled views that few others experience. Many operators consider this a special perk. Precision placement. Position loads within inches of target locations. Load control. Manage swinging and momentum of heavy materials. Multitasking. Simultaneously monitor multiple systems and surroundings. Judgment. Make split-second decisions affecting safety and efficiency. Constant contact through headsets ensures coordination. Clear terminology prevents dangerous misunderstandings. Hand signals. Standardized gestures provide backup when radios fail. Signal persons must remain visible to the operator. Camera systems. Modern cranes feature multiple cameras for blind spots. Digital displays provide multiple viewing angles simultaneously. Structural steel. Morning focuses on placing main support beams. Concrete forms. Midday transitions to moving forming systems. Equipment placement. Afternoon often involves positioning HVAC units. Material restocking. End of day prepares for tomorrow's work. Weather changes. Sudden gusts require immediate operational adjustments. Time constraints. Concrete pours and specialty lifts often have strict timing requirements. Unexpected obstacles. Site conditions change rapidly, requiring quick problem solving. Maintaining composure. Operators must remain calm despite intense pressure. Compliance. Never exceed rated capacity for current configuration. Situational awareness. Constantly monitor entire work zone. Tolerance for shortcuts. Follow all safety protocols without exception. Safe clearance. Maintain minimum distance from obstacles. Frequent occurrence, 38%, with very high risk level, 85-100. Requires immediate shutdown and securing of equipment. Power lines, less common, 12%, but presents extreme risk, 95-100. Demands strict minimum distance requirements and specialized protocols. Mechanical issues, moderate occurrence, 25%, with significant risk, 70-100. Requires thorough pre-operation inspections and regular maintenance. Communication failure, common occurrence, 30%, with high risk factor, 80-100. Prevented through redundant systems and standardized signal protocols. Load shifting, frequent hazard, 35%, with substantial risk, 75-100. Managed through proper rigging techniques and controlled movements. Extended hours. Standard shifts often stretch from 8 to 12+ hours. Project demands. Tight deadlines require weekend and holiday work. Physical toll. Long hours in the cab create physical strain. Mental fatigue. Sustained concentration becomes increasingly difficult. Limited opportunities. Many operators remain in the cab for entire shifts. Climbing down requires significant time and effort. Relief operators are rare on most sites. Breaks must be carefully planned with the ground team. Brief stretching. Short mental breaks during natural pauses help maintain focus. Brief stretching prevents muscle stiffness in the confined cab. Practical solutions. Insulated lunch containers and multiple water bottles are essential. Portable urinals or bottles address bathroom needs. Hydraulic failures. Hydraulic leaks, electrical issues, or control malfunctions require immediate shutdown. Operators must know troubleshooting procedures. Load problems. Shifting materials, broken rigging, or incorrect weight calculations create dangerous situations. Quick reactions prevent accidents. External emergencies. Site evacuations, medical emergencies, or encroaching storms demand rapid response. Operators follow established protocols. Secure the load line. Lower hook to safe position. Ensure no suspended loads remain. Weather vane position. Set boom to rotate freely with wind when applicable. Prevents strain on the crane structure. Lockout controls. Secure all systems against unauthorized use. Remove key if equipped. Hours operated. Recorded for maintenance tracking. Lifts completed. Documented with weights and locations. Issues encountered. Noted for next day planning. Fuel/power levels. Checked for morning readiness. Safety observations. Reported to improve site protocols. Climb down. Carefully descend the crane structure after a long day. Team debrief.
Review the day's achievements and next day preparations. Personal cleanup. Change from work clothes and prepare for the commute home. Recovery time. Head home for essential rest before tomorrow's early start.
You can't let pressure get to you. One mistake could risk lives. We stay focused no matter what. Every day brings new challenges. After 15 years, I'm still learning techniques to improve safety and efficiency. There's nothing like seeing a building rise knowing you placed every beam. We build the skyline. Safety first. Operators serve as the last line of defense against accidents. Technical mastery. Precision skills developed through years of practice. Team integration. Close coordination with ground crews ensures success. Weighty responsibility. Operators handle million-dollar equipment and priceless lives.